Hey there guys, are you perplexed about where to start these theories of administration in educational field? In today's video, we are going to discuss about that. So theories, before getting into the theories, let's see what actually is this theories of education administration is. It is all about the hypothesis. What is all about? Hypothesis. For example, let's take this atom. You have been studying these things in your smaller classes where you will be dealing with atom and what actually is an atom. It is the smallest size which constitute where one or more atoms constitute a molecule. This has been studied, but how have they proposed what actually is atom? So firstly, it was given by the structure of the atom was given by this guy called Bohr, and then it was modified by J.J. Thomson, saying that it is a plum pudding model, and it has undergone several changes, right? So that is actually a hypothesis. So here, hypothesis which makes undergo verification, which has the potential to explain and predict events, thus generating a new knowledge. So the theories are nothing but they are the hypothesis. They are undergone verification, and which has the capacity to explain and even predict the event that generates a new knowledge. This is the main thing about the theory. Okay, so now let's discuss about the definitions given by some kind of persons on the theories of education administration. So according to F.N. Kerlinger, so in order to remember this name, let's have a mnemonic device. So there's a person called care. His care always lingers. It is not permanent. It's not constant. So assume that the name is Kerlinger, F.N. Kerlinger. Okay. So what he says about this theory is that a theory is a set of interrelated proposition that is being explained and even predicted in a given phenomena. So let me repeat it again for you. Kerlinger, according to Kerlinger, theories are nothing but they are the set of interrelated propositions that are being explained and even predicted in a given phenomena. And another definition about theory is that it was given by Nwankwo. A theory is what makes a confusing situation clearer. A theory that makes the confused situation clearer. That is all about theory, right? So basically a theory in educational administration. So here we are dealing with educational administration. So let's discuss about the theories in educational administration. It gives a very clear outlet of how an organization works and helps the organization. It also deals with that of the behavior that is being undergone by an organization, which is actually incomprehensible. So can you say things about an organization, what actually is being done there without a clear picture? Of course not, right? So this thing, the theory in education administration, it clearly explains about the behavior of an organization which is being incomprehensible. So that's all about the theory. So finally we'll go with what actually is theory. Theories are developed. Why theories are developed? They are developed for the purpose of understanding what is, or the mechanism of what is happening behind what you see in an organization. So in education administration, theories are used to guide actions and look for the solution to problems affecting the workers. So thus the administration, what actually the administrator want to do is he has to manage between the organization's efficiency along with that of the workers. So thus a few studies are needed, and those studies are as follows. They are classical organizational theory, scientific management theory, administrative management theory, and critical education administration theory. So before getting with of the anything, things started from that of the old things, right? So classical things, so classical, and that is being proved to be scientific, and nowadays modern people used to believe only the scientific facts, right? And thus remember this, after classical we have scientific management, and then we administer, and then Nowadays, for everything, each and everything, there is a critique, the critic in us and critics all around the world. So critical education and administration. So this is the hack to remember the four theories of education and administration, and we'll deal in detail about each and every theories in the upcoming video. So until then, stay tuned to English Freaks.